Good evening, students. Today we are going to see the topic of Cauchy integral formula in Unit 4. First, we see the statement. Theorem. Theorem is nothing but is a result. Okay, is a big result. If f of z is analytic inside and on a simple closed curve C, and A is any point inside C, then f of A is equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over C f of z by z minus A dz, where C is described in the counterclockwise sense. So Cauchy integral formula states that the integral representation of a function at a point A which is lies inside. So Cauchy integral formula says that the integral representation of a function at a point A which is lies inside C. This is one aspect. The another aspect, I have to evaluate this type of integral. The answer is very simple, 2 pi I into f of A. This is another aspect of Cauchy integral formula. Okay, suppose my integral is in the form of integral over C f of z by z minus A dz. The answer is simply 2 pi I into f of A. But I cannot write directly. For applying Cauchy integral formula, I need two things. One is f of z is analytic inside and on a simple closed curve C, and A is lies inside C. If those two conditions are satisfied, then directly I can apply the formula. So 2 pi A into f of A. So that means I have to identify f of z and substitute z equal to A, you will get f of A. Then just multiply it by 2 pi A. This is your answer. So corollary, integral over C, my integral in the form of integral over C f of z by z minus A whole square dz, which is equal to 2 pi A by 1 factorial into f dash of A. If it is, the denominator become z minus A whole cube. That is, the integral is of the form integral over C f of z by z minus A whole cube dz, which is equal to 2 pi A by 2 factorial into f double dash of A. In general, our integral is the form of integral over C f of z by z minus A whole power n dz, which is equal to 2 pi I divided by n minus 1 factorial into f of n minus 1 derivative of A, f of n minus 1th derivative of A. Okay, so the ultimate aim is I have to evaluate the integral is of the form this. I can apply the Cauchy integral formula, but I have to verify two conditions. F of z is analytic on and inside and on a simple closed curve C, and A lies inside C.